you all to know it's just a mile or more from home to where Loch Ern's waters flow. I remember as a boy we'd scream and jump for joy as we pulled those fish onto that sunny shore. The old clock standing there, its looks are just the same as in days of long ago I played around. To hear it strike 12 and the Angelus bell as well, it's a memory that'll never fade nor stain. You may sing about the hills in Donegal, or dream about the village in Tyrone. My thoughts and prayers are always with you, oh, from Fermanagh and Durban's town, my home. The track where the mighty engines roar past the signal box as he pulled into the town. I recall my father say how my mum and him would stray upon that train that took them to Bundoran. It was up in St. Molez, football was played. Every Sunday they'd come from miles around. I remember the carnivals, the Queen of Country Phil, Big Tom, Brian Call and Paddy Cole. You may sing about the hills in Donegal, or dream about the village in Tyrone. My thoughts and prayers are always with you, oh, Fermanagh and Durban's town, my home.